Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello and welcome. In this lesson series, we are going to practice English conversation related to travel. Today, we are planning a short weekend trip. Listen closely to how we make suggestions and agree on a plan. Let's begin.
Hey, do you have a moment to talk about next weekend?
Sure, I have time. What is on your mind?
I was thinking that we have been working very hard lately. Maybe we should go on a short trip.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I really need a break. Where were you thinking of going?
I'm not sure yet. We could go to the beach, or we could drive to the mountains.
The beach sounds nice, but the weather report says it might rain on Saturday.
Oh, I did not check the weather. You're right. If it rains, the beach will not be fun.
So maybe the mountains are a better choice? We could rent a cabin and relax inside if it rains.
I like that idea. A cabin sounds very cozy. Do you know any good places to stay?
I remember my friend Sarah went to Lakeview Town last year. She said it was beautiful.
Lakeview Town is only a 2-hour drive from here. That is perfect for a weekend trip.
Exactly. We wouldn't have to spend all day driving. Should we look for a hotel or a rental house?
A rental house might have a kitchen. Then we can cook our own breakfast.
Good point. Eating at restaurants for every meal can get expensive.
Okay, so we agree on Lakeview Town. When should we leave?
If we leave on Friday evening, we can wake up there on Saturday morning.
That might be tiring after work. What if we leave early Saturday morning instead?
You were right. I might be too tired to drive on Friday night. Let's go Saturday morning.
Great. I'll look online for some rental cabins tonight.
Thank you. Let me know if you find anything within our budget.
I will send you the links later. I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too. It'll be nice to get away from the city.
Definitely. Let's check the calendar then.
Did you notice how we made suggestions? We used phrases like, maybe we should, and what if we leave? These are polite ways to offer ideas without being demanding. In the next lesson, we will talk about booking our accommodation. See you then. Welcome back. Now that we decided to go to Lakeview Town, we need to find a place to sleep. In this conversation, we will compare two different options and make a final booking. Listen for comparison words like cheaper or closer.
Okay, I have found two good options for our trip.
That was fast. What is the first option?
The first one is a small cabin near the lake. It looks very rustic and quiet.
Does it have a kitchen like we wanted?
Yes, it has a full kitchen and a fireplace, but it is a little bit expensive.
How much does it cost per night?
It costs $150 per night.
That is a bit high. What about the second option?
The second option is an apartment in the town center. It is much cheaper.
Is it nice inside? Sometimes cheaper places are not very clean.
The reviews are very good. People say it is clean and modern. It costs $100.
$50 is a big difference. However, I really want it to be near nature.
That is true. The apartment is in the city, so it might be noisy.
Let's look at the photos of the cabin again. Is the view worth the extra money?
Look at this photo. The balcony looks directly over the water.
Wow, that is beautiful. We're going there to relax, so the view is important.
So are you leaning towards the cabin?
Yes, I think we should book the cabin. We can save money by cooking our own food.
I agree. It is a special trip, so we should enjoy it. Should I book it now?
Yes, please. Do they require a deposit?
Yes, we have to pay 50% now. I'll use my credit card.
Perfect. I'm so excited to sit by that fireplace.
Me too. I'll put my credit card details in right now.
Great job following along. In this conversation, we compared the cabin and the apartment. We decided the cabin was worth the extra money because of the view. Next time, we will talk about packing our bags. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't... Hello again. The trip is booked and now it is time to pack. Packing can be stressful if you forget something. In this lesson, we will discuss clothing, checking the weather, and remembering essential items.
Have you seen my gray hoodie anywhere?
I think it is still in the laundry basket. Did you check there?
Not yet. I hope it is clean. I really want to bring it.
Why do you need a hoodie? Is it going to be cold?
I checked the forecast again. It will be chilly in the evenings.
Oh, good to know. I should pack a jacket too. How many pairs of jeans are you taking?
Just 2 pairs, one to wear in the car and one extra pair.
That makes sense. We're only going for 2 days. Do we need hiking boots?
Definitely. I want to walk on the trails around the lake.
Okay, my boots are in the closet. Can you grab them for me?
Sure. Do not forget to pack your toiletries.
I have my toothbrush and shampoo ready. Did you pack the phone chargers?
I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me. I'll put them in the side pocket.
We should also bring some snacks for the drive.
Good idea. I can buy some apples and water bottles tomorrow.
Is there anything else we're missing? What about the first aid kit?
It's already in the car. I keep it there all the time.
You are very organized. I think we're almost ready.
Wait, did we pack the camera? We need to take photos.
I have it right here. Don't worry.
Okay, good. Now I just need to find that gray hoodie.
Check the dryer. I might have washed it yesterday.
I'll go check the laundry room right now.
Did you hear how we use the future tense? We said, it will be chilly and I will put them in the pocket. We use will for sudden decisions or facts about the future. Next, we're heading out on the road. See you in the next video. We are finally on our way. We are in the car driving to Lakeview Town. In this conversation, we will talk about directions, navigation, and making a stop for gas. This is very useful for road trips.
The traffic is surprisingly light today.
Yes, leaving early was a smart move. How is the gas tank?
It is about half full. We should probably stop soon to fill it up.
I see a sign for a gas station in 2 miles. Should we stop there?
Yes, let's stop. I also want to get a coffee.
Can you check the GPS? I want to make sure we don't miss our exit.
Let me check. Okay, we need to stay on this highway for another 40 miles.
And then we take exit 25 towards Lakeview.
That is correct. The GPS says we will arrive at 11 o'clock.
That gives us plenty of time to check in and have lunch.
Do you want to play some music? It is too quiet in here.
Sure. Can you connect your phone to the Bluetooth?
I will do it after we stop for gas. Safety first.
Look, there's the gas station on the right. You need to change lanes.
I see it. I am signaling now. Is it clear on the right?
Yes, you are clear. Go ahead.
Okay, we made it. I will pump the gas if you want to go inside.
I will go buy the coffee. Do you want anything else?
Maybe a chocolate bar. I need some sugar.
Got it. I'll be right back.
Take your time. I will clean the windshield while I wait.
Road trips are fun, but you must communicate clearly. We used phrases like change lanes and is it clear? These are essential for driving. In our final video, we will arrive at the cabin and see the view. Don't miss the ending. We have arrived. We are finally at the cabin in Lakeview Town. In this final lesson, we will talk about first impressions, checking the amenities, and relaxing. Let's see if the cabin is as good as the pictures.
Wow, this lobby area is actually very nice.
It smells like pine wood. I love that smell.
The owner left a key for us in this lockbox. Let me open it.
What was the code again? Did you write it down?
Yes, it is 4290. Ah, it opened.
Great. Let's go inside and see the view.
After you. I will bring the bags in a minute.
Oh my goodness, look at the lake. It is sparkling in the sun.
That is incredible. It looks even better than the photos online.
And look, there's the fireplace. It's all set up with wood.
We can light a fire tonight. It will be very romantic.
I am so glad we chose the cabin instead of the apartment.
Me too. It is so quiet here. No traffic noise at all.
I feel relaxed already. What should we do first?
I think we should unpack and then maybe go for a short walk.
Sounds perfect. I want to stretch my legs after that long drive.
Did you check if the Wi-Fi works? Just in case.
Let me check. Yes, full signal, but let's try not to use our phones too much.
Agreed. This weekend is about disconnecting.
Thank you for driving us here safely. You are a good driver.
You are welcome. Thank you for navigating.
I'm going to put the kettle on. Do you want tea?
Yes, please. I'll get the keys and bring the rest of the bags inside.
And that concludes our trip. We planned it, booked it, packed, drove, and arrived. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you learned something new, please like this video and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, where do you want to go on your next trip? Goodbye for now.